This is Amir Garanovic with Offshore Engineer TV, here today with a pair of executives from Saipem to take a deep dive into its recently launched state-of-the-art drilling training center. Can you please state your name, title, and give us an overview of your position and responsibilities today at Saipem?
Good morning. My name is Adriano Mongini. I'm the COO of Saipem Drilling and Sonsub business line. I defined the strategy for our global offshore drilling activities, ensuring performance, innovation, safety of our people and our assets. A key part of my role is making sure our people have the right skills and tools they need to meet today's increasingly complex drilling challenges. It's a pleasure for me to be here today, and we are in the drilling training center, as you can see from my back, and thank you.
My name is Leonardo Bori, and I am the coordinator of the Drilling Training Center, which is part of the Saipem People Academy, an environment created to support knowledge management activities across our global organization. It is a structured approach that ensures that all our people, wherever they are in the world, have access to technical and the behavioral skills they need to excel in their roles. The mission of the training center is to design and deliver high-quality drilling training programs to address the needs of the business line and ensure excellence in people development. My team consists of experienced instructors who combined strong field expertise with solid teaching skills to employ a wide range of training methodologies, including advanced simulation. We provide both certified training courses recognized by the major international associations like International Well Control Forum, IWCF, and industry-specific learning paths designed to strengthen and assess technical competencies in realistic scenarios.
To start us off, can you offer a big overview of the new drilling training center, a by the numbers look at the investments, the scale, and the capacity using the metrics of your own choice?
The new Drilling Training Center represents a significant investment in our people and in cutting-edge technologies, with the goal of redefining how we develop our internal capabilities while expanding opportunities for collaboration with current and future partners. From a technological standpoint, it is among the few centers worldwide capable of offering the latest generation of simulators for drilling and well control scenarios. By the numbers, the center is built around two main assets. One full-scale simulator installed at our headquarters that you can see behind us, featuring an immersive 8 by 3 meter video wall and an operational area that reproduces the real dimension of a rig floor. On one super portable simulator with a layout of approximately 1 by 1 meter by 1 by 1 meter, which can be transported in a standard travel trolley. Thanks to this combination, we can potentially cover 100% of our global geographic targets. The full-scale system enables immersive training at our facilities, while the portable simulator can be shipped and installed anywhere in the world within hours, allowing us to reach projects, operational bases, and clients in any strategic location. This ensures advanced training both for our headquarters and directly on site, guaranteeing a truly global and operational flexible presence.
What market trends or operational challenges informed Saipem's decision to open this immersive drilling training center now?
Offshore drilling operations are becoming increasingly complex, and we continue to embrace the challenges posed by the most demanding environments, including high pressure, high temperature conditions. Successfully managing these well require advanced technical expertise, a sophisticated control system, and a rigorous engineering design, each essential to mitigate any type of risk. The technology integrated in our training center, combined with our structured training programs, enable us to strengthen our people capabilities so they can confidently and effectively handle such operations. This goes well beyond the attainment of a standard well control certification. It is about cultivating deep operational competence. Moreover, training pathways can be jointly tailored by contractors and clients, ensuring they accurately reflect the specific operational scenario we expect to face.
Can you explain the core technologies behind the simulator, such as its human-machine interfaces, advanced fluid dynamic modeling, and how they contribute to a realistic training environment?
Yes, the full-scale simulator is built around 4 key components. First one is an immersive visualization system, as you can see behind us, made of 24 screens to create a video wall more than 8 meters wide and 3 meters tall. The high-fidelity 3D model that runs on the video wall accurately reproduces both the rig equipment and the offshore environment. The cyber chairs that are installed in this room are identical to the ones on offshore rigs, including their human-machine interfaces for setting and monitoring of the parameters. Then the fourth is a hidden component, but it's the most relevant: the advanced mathematical and fluid dynamic model that drives the simulation of the downhole behavior. All these 4 components can't stand on their own. There is the need of a 5th component to unlock the simulator's full potential. And this element is an instructor capable of translating a simulated scenario into a real learning experience.
So to build on your answer, from the trainee's perspective, how does this setup enhance the immersion experience and practical understanding of operations?
A quote attributed to Confucius said, "I hear and I forget. I see and I remember. I do and I understand." And I believe this phrase captures perfectly the power of experiential learning. In drilling operation, people must be protected from learning by doing, learning from trials and errors, because an error that happens on site may have catastrophic consequences. So the full-scale simulator provides a protected environment where trainees can experiment the power of the error and can learn through experiences. They use real controls, make decisions, and manage operation exactly as they would do on a real rig, but without being exposed to the operational risk. So this approach, which combines technical and behavioral skill, aims to build a strong mental model and reinforce operational awareness and confidence.
What types of drilling scenarios and operations are trainees able to practice on the full-scale simulator, considering its particular focus on deepwater operations? How do you customize simulator scenarios for complex or high-risk drilling environments?
The system and the ability of the instructor allows to design a wide variety of learning scenarios, combining rigs, equipment, environments, geological conditions, and operational context. And this flexibility allows us to tailor the learning experience both on the trainee's background and on the specific learning outcomes. The operations that can be simulated include tubular handling, tripping, standard drilling, advanced drilling, including MPD module, and contingencies, well contingencies, both on the drilling and well control side. Last but not least, the simulator capability allow us to simulate also emergency scenarios, like emergency disconnection. So when dealing with complex situations, one of the most valuable capabilities of the simulator is the chance to input in the system real well parameters, to follow the philosophy of drilling a well on the simulator. So once a real case scenario has been designed, crews can be trained for debriefing past operations to learn from what happened on site, or to prepare crews for new challenges they are likely to face.
We understand the training center also offers the possibility of conducting training off-site. Can you describe how that works and its benefits for client companies or Saipem's own crews?
Our programs also include off-site training delivered directly at project location or operational sites. This approach does not only optimize travels and costs, but allow us to adapt training to the real operational context, strengthening relevance, engagement, and connection with the people on site and the local content. Thanks to our portable simulator mentioned before, we can more easily involve the local communities in our initiatives, expanding access to training and fostering stronger relationships with the areas in which we operate.
How does the launch of the new Drilling Training Center align with Saipem's overall strategic vision for growth in drilling and human capital development in a rapidly evolving energy market?
This center fits perfectly into our strategy focused on innovation, operational excellence, and people development. By investing in advanced training capabilities, we strengthen our internal expertise and reinforce our commitment to safety and sustainable operation. Our people remain our key asset, and their competencies are the foundation of our competitive advantage.
How does Saipem's investment in the training center strengthen the company's competitive position?
Saipem investment in the training center strengthens the company's competitive position on several fronts. First, by aligning our training offer with internationally recognized standards, we ensure that our workforce develops competencies and are globally validated and immediately spendable across the industry. These reinforce our credibility with clients and partners who increasingly expect certified excellence. Second, hosting our resources in Milan headquarters creates a strong sense of connection between people and the company. It encourages personnel to return to Saipem facilities for their professional development, fostering loyalty, reinforcing our corporate culture, and strengthening long-term engagement. Finally, delivering courses through highly experienced in-house trainers and adopting such advanced technology allow us to guarantee superior training quality and the full alignment with the Saipem's operational practices, safety culture, and technical expectation. Our internal expertise ensures a level of consistency, depth, and the relevance that external providers cannot replicate, transforming training into a true strategy asset for performance and differentiation.
How does accreditation by the International Well Control Forum enhance value of the courses offered, and what does this mean for certification outcomes for trainees?
Being accredited to deliver IWCF programs was an essential first step in aligning with a globally recognized standard of excellence. Our goal was to centralize the delivery and management of well-controlled certification and to introduce an additional layer of quality and consistency, ensuring the headquarters plays an active role in the professional growth of our people. We strongly believe in this renewed approach, even if it may contrast with the global trend toward virtual training and remote learning, but it sends a clear message of commitment to safety, professionalism, and excellence.